All right, get in. Let's go. I've drifted this left-hander here, or right-hander here, into this left-hander. Very nice. I can't imagine being in it. Like, that truck in front of us has really stiff suspension. So inside there, it's got to be rattling and shaking and just going crazy. Whereas here it's like, whatever. No biggie. Woo!
And that's what you do with the Raptor, Pete.
Exactly. By the way, we haven't gotten to the trail yet. This is just a road.
Wow.
I don't know how you're not doing this.
Probably is.
I'm doing a lot, man.
Cruising in a Raptor.
That crowd was funny. At first I was like, why is that truck backing up? And then I was like, why is this car stopping? Wait, why is this? And I'm like, oh, yeah. They all want to watch a Raptor wreck. That's why they're doing it.
Right? 344, brother.
Excellent. Oh yeah, that was 21 degrees.
Looks like you're almost at 45 degrees.
22. Instead, we're gonna put some more scratches on the truck. Oh, I say let's take a little break. Let's give Roxy a break. Give her like a 5-minute rest. She needs it. Pretty cool though, huh? Yeah. Cool part is just you're out here by yourself, really. I mean, yeah, there's other off-roaders and stuff, but think about all the people that won't brave the conditions to come out here. They won't get the right vehicle to come out here. They'll never see this. It just blows my mind. You miss out on stuff like this. It's the views.
Yeah.
All right.